Hello mga kamamshi, nandito kami ngayon sa Ormoc Herbs. Dito kami kakain, mag-celebrate ng aking birthday. Birthday ko ngayon mga kamamshi. Nandito kami ngayon sa Ormoc kasi nga bukas ay alis namin papuntang Cebu. Bali may ticket na kami sa barko. Bumili kami kanina. So, dito si Mami Irene nag-celebrate ng birthday sa Ormoc. Dapat sa Cebu 'yun. Hindi nga kami natuloy ka, Mamsi. So, ayan, no? Ang buong pamilya. Hello, Daddy Marco. Ellie, Olivia. Ayun si ate. Olivia Jamie. Ellie Jamie. Hi! May pa-music mga kamamshi. Baka lagyan ko ng background music and malilate lang yung upload ko kasi nga babiyahe kami papuntang Cebu. Ayan. 35 na si Mami Irene, mga kamamshi. And thank you Lord kasi binigyan na naman tayo ng another year. Another birthday. Thank you. Ang wish ko lang mga kamamshi na sana ay gumaling na. Gumaling na ako mga kamamshi. Maging okay na ako. Yun lang ang wish ko. And healthy. Healthy yung mga anak ko, si Daddy Marco. Siyempre ako mga kamamshi kasi kailangan ako ng mga anak ko. Healthy yung aking mga mahal sa buhay. Yan lang ang wish ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. I love you all. I love you.
Yay! Happy birthday, Mommy!
I love you. Oh, hello. What is your wish for Mommy?
What is
To feel you better.
Oh, very, very good man.
I hope Mommy stay safe and be healthy.
Thank you, ate.
And what your mother is going
We have a gift for mommy.
I hope Mommy likes me and the Ellie and take it out, Mommy. Take it out.
So this is my gift. Oh my God.
Take one out. Daddy wants to buy this for you. And then Dad said, which one? And I said, this one.
Ay, tignan nyo.
There's another one, Mommy.
Gift ni Daddy Marco. Thank
There's
you.
another one here. What's that? That's Mommy, which Mommy likes. She was. And Mommy, you know when we bought that, Mommy?
What is this?
This is
Panty. Wala na ba akong panty?
medium. I don't know if
Medium?
It's, yeah, medium.
Medium, oo. Okay to. Sakto. Kawawa mo ng inahan. Kailangan ng panty. Oh. And this one, what is this?
Toblerone, mini Toblerone.
Oh, thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Ate Olivia, Kuya, and
And
Deli.
then this is the
Oh, Ferrero. Dadalhin namin to sa Cebu. Oh. Ito ang pinakagusto ko. This is what I like. Panty.
Mommy, you know, Mommy,
Yeah.
Mommy,
Thank you sa gift.
Mommy, I choose this for you. I choose the chocolate and Daddy choose the panty.
Square pants?
Mommy, Daddy said, Daddy thinks this is a dress.
May gift pala ako. Wala. Salamat. Thank you for the gift.
You're welcome.
I love you all. I love you, bibing ko. I love you, ate.
I don't love you.
Sing happy birthday to mommy.
Happy birthday, mommy.
Ikaw, te, ano man lang mo regalo? So, last year sa Bohol ako nag-birthday. And ngayon naman, dito sa Ormoc. Tapos nandito kami sa Ormoc Herbs. Ayan. Pangalawang beses na namin dito sa Ormoc Herbs kasi masarap ang kanilang pagkain. Tingnan nyo, ang dami nilang kombucha. Ayun, kombucha yun mga kamamsi. Thank you, Daddy Marco, sa gift.
Happy birthday.
Unexpected gift.
100 years more to come.
Thank you, Daddy. Nandito na naman yung isa.
You're 35 years old
Oh,
now.
35 na ang mami. 35 na ang mami. Okay. 35 years old, Mami Irene.
25 or 35?
25. Kung kailan malalaki na yung mga bata, saka naman ako nagmukhang
You know that,
teenager, bata.
Rose, you know that at 35 you stop counting the years.
Yes.
Every birthday you say, I'm 35. Or you can say, I'm 35 plus.
Thank you again, Daddy Marco.
I love you.
I love you.
Flavor stuff? What flavor stuff? Okay. What flavor?
Is this mango? Is this mango?
It's a nachos.
Nachos.
Nacho.
What's this?
Calamares.
Is that squid? Is that squid?
Yeah.
And then looks like salad.
Hi. Hi.
It's good, the shrimp.
Squid ring. Natara. Squid ring. Squid ring. Ring. Like this.
A ring.
Ring.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank
100
you.
more years to come.
Thank you so much.
Blow, Mommy, blow. Yay!
Nagdibo.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Oh. Yan, itong handa ko. Pizza, mga kamamsi. Give me the other pizza. Simple celebration. Ate, the other one. Olivia, you need to finish.
Give me another one.
This one, pizza margarita, mga kamamsi. Masarap ang pizza nila dito. Okay, simple celebration ni Mami Irie. Ibabalik ko dito sa my box para hindi ma-melt muna kasi mamaya pa ito kakainin.
So many.
Thank you again. Enjoy, kiddos.
What are you doing?
Two pizza.
In months?
Good.
want to run this.
Grilled salmon with risotto, mga kamamsi. Ito yung aking in-order para sa sarili ko dahil birthday ni Mami Irie. Kailangan kumain ng risotto at saka salmon. Mm.
Oh, next time when we go to safety, I'm gonna do like this again.
Thank you, baby.
Slice. First me. First
You
me,
want
Mom.
the cherry? No.
No.
No, what? No, Terry.
Oh, I like this.
Mommy, I want two cakes. The first one.
No, no, you eat first this one, Ellie.
Sorry. The
Mommy, my fork. Where?
Can you give me the cherry too? I'm gonna try.
It's a vanilla.
Thank you. Is the cherry good, Daddy? Why is there
Mommy, you send some picture for me. Mommy.
the cherry?
Abi, chocolate.
Thank you.
Kuya, cake?
Ooh.
You don't want to eat?
I don't like it. Not like it.
Mommy.
I'll go wash my hands.
Ate.
Mommy. You send some cake for me.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
You're eating cake?
Because it's my birthday.
But it's just like when I was two. A baby like this.
Mm.
I'm gonna eat the cake.
Good.
I already tried it. It's good. Yeah.
Mm. Good.
You gonna eat the chocolate? The chocolate. It's like a